Hello everyone. I'm just not even gonna fucking say it. I'm doing a box opening of this shit, and well, I'm really hoping I could get the Utopia stuff. This is all I came for. I don't care. I don't care if I ruin the box. So, read. Oh boy. Should we start at the top or bottom? I think I'm gonna just start off on the top. I really want to pull the Utopia stuff, that way I can get it early. One Way Curry, Dark Eye, Terrors, Spriggans. Oh, I actually need that. Breakup Magic, Zexal Force, You and I, Hidden Springs, Pharaoh. I already got my playset of you. S4 Dog Tag. Whoops. Yamo Mirroring? Sky Scourge, Zexal, Garbage, Maze, World. Oh, I actually need that. Spriggan's Booty.
I'll trade you a Sunday Sage. It's a blue one.
Oh, I'm gonna need that actually. AI Challenge, Scrap Raptor. I already got my play. Oh, I actually need another one. Booby Game. That's what we're gonna call it. So, oh, I pulled the Amazing Attraction in Horror House. I mean, yeah, Horror House, yeah.
That's like $6 now.
That's $6?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. That's not bad. I'm gonna put the comments that I need.
At least I got ones for like $2-3.
Dark War Garbage, Boojin, Amazement. Oh, Ruddy Rose. Nice. Ooh. You and I. Oh, the Monarch thing. Amazement. Abasoro Buffa? I don't know how to pronounce half of these niggas' names. Dog, Zexal, AI Challenge, Paleozo. Oh, the Trap Tricks. Nice. And then the Judge of Icebearers. Man, this is not bad pulls so far. Boojin, Zexal, AI, Amazement, Garbage, and oh boy.
Oh, you know Wilfredo?
Huh?
You know Wilfredo?
No.
He's one of my guys. He just got Jason. He pulled the Starlight lineup.
Fucking lucky.
Yeah. And he plus like 1,000, so he profited from this case because
ooh, Scrap Raptor started off.
In the one booster box where he pulled the Starlight, guess what? He pulled 3 secrets in that box.
How the fuck?
Yeah, that's nuts.
That's some crazy ass luck.
A Starlight with 3 secrets? That's insane.
No, Tombox actually did that too.
Really?
Yeah, he pulled a Starlight and 2 secrets.
Well, was it 3 secrets?
I mean, if you can consider the Starlight rare secret. I mean, it's a win-win regardless.
No, you said you got 1 Starlight and 2 secrets. But my guy got 1
Dark
Starlight,
Eye,
3 secrets.
Ujin, Zexal, AI. I just got you. What the fuck? So far these two are like kind of the pricey ones, I guess. Paleozoic, Starry Night, AI Channel. Oh wow, that is gay.
I want that off you.
No.
Yes.
No. That is the gayest secret you can ever pull. Not gonna lie.
Are you actually gonna use it?
Huh?
Are you actually gonna use it?
No, it's just gay. Scrap Raptor. Nice.
Trade it to me.
War Booby Game.
I actually want to
Amazement.
I actually want to play Dark Honest with my Dangers.
That's kind of cute though. Wow, another Scrap Raptor.
But yeah, I want that Dark Honest.
Booby Game. So now
because I'm already getting 2 from Wilfredo and he's coming today.
That's nice. I don't know what the fuck to do with that scrap right there, so.
And that's where you got place that.
Man, this is gonna be gay. Wow, and another scrap raptor. That's nice. Sun Avalon Daphne, Denmari, S-Force. Yes! Oh, nutted.
It's a cheap card anyway, so.
It's a cheap card, but I need it.
Whatever.
You're whatever.
If you want me to bless the pack, I can do that for you. But only one pack.
Bless my mother. Denmari, Sky, Dogmatica, whatever, AI, Gay, you, whatever. Give me the Sun Avalon link. The Sun Avalon link 3. Damn it.
Oh.
That's what I want. Mazement, one-way carry. Got you already. 1x1, bogey, and whatever. Zexal, Dark Eye. Oh, I need one. Nice. Zexal Interest, Storm Sage, blah blah blah. Pegasus, Terror, Brigands, Judgment, Stupid, Boogie. Where the fuck is my stage, nigga? Damn!
Sounds correct. You should pull at least one secret, or maybe if you're lucky, a Starlight.
Bullet? Amazement, Tosh, Starry, kinda gay. Blah blah. Man, I can't believe they wasted so much space just to make Warrocks like garbage still. You got the Corona. No, mames, way. Staring Knight, DDD, Amazement, one-way carry. Ooh, I actually needed that.
Roxanne.
Yeah. Yummy, Brigands, Judgment. Wow, scrap. Let's go!
Wow, look at you.
Look! Oh my God, let's go!
Look at you. You see, I told you.
Bro, fucking Diviner?
You'll get another secret.
Diviner?
I called it.
Diviner? Bro? Hell yeah. I'll take this any day.
Oh wait, you're on your right order too, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
This completes my playset. Let's fucking go.
You're set.
Oh my God.
You're set on playing Drytron.
Hell yeah! Oh my God, I'm gonna put this in the sleeve. My baby.
Is that it? Is that all you need?
Oh my God.
Play
This is,
Drytrons?
yeah. Well, Utopia's as well, but like, Drytron's the main one.
Oh wait, Utopia Drytron?
No, what the, what the fuck? How the fuck would that even work?
I'm just messing, yo.
Bro, I can't believe I pulled the Divider.
Well, these next ones are garbage. These ones are garbage then.
Yeah. I don't care. I pulled the Diviner. I'm happy.
I'll bless it.
War, Zoo, Zexal, Spriggans, Amazement, Gay. Can.
There, I'm blessed.
If it pulls me a freaking S-Force. Wow, Amazement.
Ooh, I need that.
Can I?
Wait, oh no, actually wait.
Can I pull a stage?
Actually, Fredo's getting me the other two, so that should be alright.
Sun, Damari, S-Force, Gay. Man, I don't even care about the rest of these pulls. I just got a Diviner.
You did good.
I did very good.
You got playset now.
And I didn't. I basically won the fucking box.
Yes.
So I didn't get ripped off.
Alright, that's the end
Nice.
of the video. Yay.
Yeah, that's the end of the video. I don't care about the. I mean, I care about the rest of the bulls because these things are important. Also these. Beauty. This is beautiful. This is just beautiful. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe.